Have you ever pressed the start button on your motorcycle, only to hear nothing or a weak click, leaving you stranded and wondering what went wrong? When your motorcycle won't start, specific dashboard symbols can immediately tell you why. The most common indicators that prevent starting are the battery warning light, the engine oil pressure light, and the engine management system, or check engine light. If any of these illuminate when you try to start your bike, they are alerting you to a critical issue that needs attention before your engine can safely or successfully begin its operation. These warning lights are designed to protect your motorcycle's vital systems. The battery light, often red and shaped like a battery, signals low voltage or a charging system problem. Without enough electrical power, the starter motor cannot crank the engine. The engine oil pressure light, typically an oil can icon, warns of insufficient oil pressure. Starting an engine without proper lubrication can cause severe damage, so the bike system will prevent ignition. Finally, the check engine light, resembling an engine outline, indicates a fault within the engine management system, which could range from a sensor issue to a fuel delivery problem, all of which are critical for ignition. If your motorcycle won't start and you see one of these symbols, here is what you can do. For the battery light, check your battery terminals for corrosion or looseness, and try using a trickle charger if you have one. For the oil pressure light, safely check your oil level on a flat surface. If it is low, add the correct type of oil. If the check engine light is on, try turning the ignition off and on a few times to reset minor glitches. But if it persists, it is best to consult your owner's manual for specific codes or take it to a qualified mechanic. Understanding these indicator lights is a crucial aspect of what the industry calls rider awareness and preventative maintenance. These aren't just pretty graphics, they are sophisticated diagnostic tools. For example, some advanced systems use what is known as a CAN bus, or controller area network, which allows various electronic control units to communicate rapidly, often pinpointing the exact nature of an engine management fault with greater precision than older systems. This interconnectedness means a single light can be a gateway to understanding a complex underlying issue. Knowing what these key dashboard symbols mean when your motorcycle refuses to start empowers you to quickly diagnose common issues and decide on the best course of action. It helps you avoid unnecessary panic, potentially saving you time and repair costs, and gets you back to safely enjoying the open road with confidence.